The AI just changed forever. If you are still chatting with it like a search engine tie, you are about to get left behind. Level 3 is here. 3 levels: chat, automation, agent. Most people are stuck at 1. You skip straight to 3. The agent does it all for you.
Stop being the doer. Become the director. IBM deployed AI agents and saved $4.5 billion. Managers work 75% faster. 3 rules: clear outcome, clear instructions, clarify results. Notice, Toph, none of these tell AI how. You begin with the end, AI figures out the rest. Free AI implementation workbook. Every department, step by step. DM me AI business on Instagram. 2 words, I send it instantly. Business owner, Manus AI. Creative, Claude Cowork. Developer, Claude Code. Power user, open Claude Mat carefully. Pick one, go all in, master it. Manus AI is the best all-around agent for business owners. Research, build, communicate, deliver. No code, no technical knowledge, plain English only. Creatives use Claude Cowork. It runs on your computer and manages your files. Developers use Claude Code. Wild fact, Huff, it is what AI companies use to build AI. Open Claude runs like a person with memory. Powerful. But it bought a $3,000 course without permission. Glimpse of the future. Handle with care. I know you want to try every tool. Do not. Pick one. Go deep. The more you use one, the more it learns how you work. Depth beats breadth every time. 1 plain English prompt. Research 3 agencies. Build a summary website. Manus creates its own task list and starts working. Watch this. 3 browser sessions, 3 agencies, simultaneously, 4 minutes in. Research nearly done. You have not touched the keyboard once. This is level 3 AI.
Research complete. Code writing itself. Website assembling in real time. 9 minutes, 47 seconds. A full week of work done in 1 coffee break.
Website done in 10 minutes. Then I typed 1 sentence types, add testimonials. Manus went back to all 3 sites, extracted them, and updated instantly. Manus posted to Slack as me and emailed Joel Harrison with the full summary. 0 words written manually. Research to delivery, fully autonomous. Manus monitored the Slack thread every 15 minutes, detected Sam's feedback, applied it to the website automatically. You were not even in the room. 1 prompt, 15 autonomous actions, professional deliverable, delivered to the team, under 15 minutes. You just created automation without knowing how.
Stop copying the output and leaving. I dare you to stay in the tool. Everything you are about to do next, Coley, tell Manus to do it first. Always.
More millionaires will be created in the next 5 years than the entire history of the internet. The AI gold rush is not coming. It is happening right now. You do not need to be technical. AI is the technical expert. You are the direction expert. You already have everything you need. Just start.
Stop pretending not to know. You just watched it happen with plain English. I promise, Tell, if you take action played, it will click. 1 afternoon changes everything.
3 steps. Pick 1 tool. Pick 1 weekly task. Have the agent do it today. 1 afternoon. Forever ahead of 99.9%. Go. Free AI implementation playbook. Same one my companies use. DM AI business on Instagram. 2 words. Yours instantly. Every department covered. You have been waiting for the right moment. This is it. Pick the tool, pick the task, do it today. The AI Gold Rush rewards the people who start first. You are the director. AI is your workforce. DM me AI business for the free playbook. The future belongs to people who start today. Go direct something.